Hey there, welcome to Lulu University. This week we're going to be touching on everybody's favorite self-publishing success stories. So let's dive in. So you're probably familiar with this first one. It is Still Alice by Lisa Genova, but you may not know a little bit about the backstory. So this book was published in 2007 after being routinely rejected by big publishing houses. Lisa was not deterred, and she kept going until she found a path with self-publishing where she could make the book available. So since publishing the book in 2007, it went on to become a New York Times bestseller and have an Oscar-winning movie made out of it. So that is not too shabby if you think about it. One of the biggest takeaways from this success story is the importance of marketing. Lisa went all over the place to spread the word about her book and going to relevant communities, let them know it was available, and she's got some really great insight that we're going to share with you now. I listed Still Alice on MySpace, Goodreads, Shelfari, and more. I manage my own website and blog. I scheduled at least 2 book events a month, readings and signings at local bookstores, coffee shops, Alzheimer's facilities, or conferences and book clubs. As you can see, Lisa put a lot of effort and work into the promotion and marketing of her book, and that is crucial to the success of any book launch. So if there's one takeaway, it's do your research and don't be afraid to hit the pavement and let people know about your book. Another self-publishing heavyweight is Amanda Hocking. You're probably familiar with her as well and the success that she's experiencing today. But did you know that in 2010, she had 17 unpublished novels that had just been routinely rejected by big publishing houses? So you think, I'll try 1 or 2 books, then maybe I'll move on. 17. Homegirl was in it to win it. So instead of giving up or getting discouraged, she just decided to change her tactics. So what she did with her next book was make it available for 99 cents so that readers could try out a new author and there was very little risk involved. So it was a huge success. Her backlist was able to sell through doing that. And now, you're familiar with her as being one of the most successful self-published authors. So what we can learn from Amanda in this example is how important it is to have the ability to set your own price. And that's something that self-publishing will allow you to do. Success can be measured in a lot of different ways for self-publishing, and it's not just for authors. Excelta Fitness is a really good example of a business that's utilizing self-publishing to create their workbooks and their manuals for their after-school program. So through using print-on-demand technology and self-publishing, Excelta Fitness has been able to save money and through those savings open new locations in the US. So what we can learn from them is that any business can utilize self-publishing to A, increase savings, or B, supplement revenue. Last but not least, this one is one of my favorite examples. Sophie Gamond is a photographer who uses self-publishing to publish photographs that she's taken of pit bulls in shelters. So a little bit about Sophie, she was always terrified of pit bulls. And after, meeting some really cool pit bulls and finding out they're actually wonderful dogs and great pets, she started photographing the dogs in beautiful flower crowns to help other people get over their fears and to help rescue these shelter pets. So she uses us to create calendars and books of the photos and bring attention to this cause that has become very important to her. So one of the things we can learn about Sophie is that self-publishing is a great tool to help raise awareness about a cause or spread the word and raise money for something that is really close to your heart. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have a success story, then let us know in the comments below, and be sure to hit subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week with tips and tricks on how to help you with self-publishing. So we'll see you next time.